Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, online learning website. Today we will discuss computer basic questions. Those are very important for your examination perspective. Today, first that is a general introduction. The first question is that the arithmetic logic unit performs the following actions. What is the right answer? That is does both calculation and logical comparisons. Second, the computer processor consists of the following parts. Right answer is control units and arithmetic and logical unit, that is ALU. Question number third, a microprocessor is the brain of computer and is also called an microchip. The fourth question is the main memory works in conjunction with CPU. The question number fifth is the main job of CPU is to. The main job of CPU is to process data and information. The question number six is when speaking of a computer input and output, input refers to. What is the right answer is? That is both C and D above. That is data or informations that has been entered into the computer. D, the transmission of the data that has been input to the computer. That is right answer is both C and D above. The next question, question number 7, all of the logic and mathematical calculation done by the computers happen in on the right answer is central processing unit. Question number 8, the primary goal of a computer is to turn the data into information. Question number 9, arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations include addition, subtraction, multiplications and division. The question number 10 is once information is input to a computer, it becomes a data. And question number 11, that is computer dash is whatever is typed, submitted or transmitted to a computer system is called, that is your input. Another discuss that is your development of computer. The first question is development of computer. First question, a computer portable and easy to carry by travelers is laptop, and the most powerful computer is supercomputer. PRUM was developed by CDAC. Question number 4, which of the following refers to the fastest, biggest and most expensive computer? Right answer is supercomputer. Question number 7, question number 5 onwards, which type of computer could be found in a digital watch? Right answer is embedded computer. Question number 6, the first computer was programmed using machine language. Question number 7 onwards, digital computer use a dash system to encode date and program. The right answer is binary. A computer falls into the category of 8. Computer falls into the dash category if it is at the time of construction one of the fastest computers in the world. क्या होगा right answer? Question number, the right answer is supercomputer. And question number 9, microcomputer hardware consists of a 3 basic categories of a physical equipment. The right answer is C, system unit, input, output and secondary storage. Question number 10. Question number 10. A DAS is a large and expensive computer capable of simultaneously processing data for hundreds or thousands of users. The right answer is mainframe computer. Question number 11. Which is the smallest of the following computer? Is notebook. Question number 12. A DAS computer is a small, lightweight personal computer that incorporates the screen, the keyboard, storage and processing components into a single portable unit, that is notebook. Question number 13, the right answer, a personal computer is designed to meet the computing needs of a individual. And question number 14, which device uses a handheld operation system, that is APDA. Then now we prepare the input and output device related objective question. The first question is the two types of output devices are monitor and printer. Mouse techniques used for access in properties of any object, that is right clicking. To go the beginning of a text line, press home. The most common input device are keyboard and mouse. To see all information which device output uses, monitor. Which of the following is not an input device? Monitor. What is the function of keyboard in a computer? Input. Which of the following is an output key? Monitor. Question number 9. The general methods to input the text and numerical data in computer is by keyboard. Question number 10. Output devices make it possible to view and print our data. Hard copy of a document is printed on a printer. Question number 12. Which of the following groups have only input device? Mouse, keyboard and scanner. Question number 13. Which of the following groups have only output devices? Plotter, printer and monitor. Question number 14. Any data and instructions entered in the memory of a computer is input. Question number 15. To make the number pad acts as a directional arrow, we press shift. Question number 16. Which key is used in a combination with another key to perform a specific task? The right answer is control. Control, shift and alt are called modifier keys. Question 18. The patterns of printed lines on the most products are called barcodes. Question 19. What type of device is a computer printer? Right answer is output. A scanner scans both pictures and text. Question 21. What would you do to highlight a word? You position the cursor next to the word and then drag mouse while holding button down. Question 22. A dash can make it easier to play game. A joystick. Question 23. In MICR, C stands for character. Question 24. Soft copy is an intangible output. So then what is a hard copy? The printed output. Question 25. A printer is the kind of device output. Question 26. The most common methods of entering text and numerically data into a computer system is through the use of keyboard. Question 27. A keyboard is this kind of device. Keyboard is the input device. Question 28. Which part of a computer display the work done? The right answer is monitor. Question 29. Codes consisting of a bars or lines of varying width or length that are the computer's readable are known as a barcode. Question number 30. Whenever we have to give space between the two words while typing on a PC, we have to press a key known as spacebar. Question number 31. The dash key and the dash key can be used in a combination with other keys to perform shortcuts and special tasks. Controls art. Which type of device is the computer monitor? Output. Which of these keys is not the input? Which of these keys is not the number keypad? Control. The primary output device for computer is a video monitor. Question 35. Dash provides the means to move the printer on the screen and give information to the computer by clicking its button mouse. Question 36. Soft copy refers to screen output. Question 37. Why is the caps lock key referred to as a toggle key? Because its function goes back and forth every time it is pressed. Question 38. One puts information into the computer by pressing this key, enter. Question 39. The key that must be pressed each time a new command or information is entered, written या /enter. Question 40. What term is used to describe using the mouse to move and items on the screen a new location, drag and drop. Question 41. To select a text by setting as your drag, the mouse arrow over the text is referred to. The right answer is highlight. And question 42. A button that makes the character either upper or lower case and numbers to the symbol is shift key. Question number 43. Pick the odd one. Printer is the odd one. Letters, numbers, and symbols found on a keyboard are keys. A piece of hardware. What is the use to enter the informations into the computer by using keys? That is right answer is keyboard. Capital letters on a keyboards are referred to as. Right answer is caps lock key. Question 47. Powerful key that lets you exit a program when pushed. The right answer is caps key. Question 48. Printed information card dash exists physically and is more permanent form of output and then presented on a display device, that is a hard copy. Question 49. Moves the cursor one space to the right or puts space in the between words space bar. Question 50. Use this when you want to make all letters capital without having to use the shift key for the each character. The right answer is caps lock key. Question 51. Device that let the computer communicate with you. Input. Question 52. Device that allow you to put the information into the computer. Input. Question 53 onwards. Any letter, number or symbol found on the keyboard that you can into the computer, that is character. Question 54. A key that will erase information from the computer's memory and characters on the screen is delete key. Question 55. The dash takes on different space depending on the task you are performing, that is mouse pointer. You can use the tab key to. Question number 50. Use this when you want to make all letters capital without having to use the shift key for each character. The right answer is caps lock key. Question number 51. Devices that let the computer communicate with you. The right answer is input. Question 52. Devices that allow you to put information into the computer. The right answer is input. Question 53. Any letters, number or symbol found on the keyboard that you can type into the computer. The right answer is character. Question 54. A key that will erase information from the computer's memory and characters on the screen. Delete key. The dash takes on different shapes depending on the task you are performing. The right answer is mouse pointer. Question 56. You can use the tab key to move the cursor across a screen. Indent a paragraph. Question 57. Information that comes from the external source and is fed into the computer software is called input. Question 58. Which keys enables the input to number quickly? The numeric keypad. You use a and dash such as keyboards or mouse to input information. That is your input device. Question number 60. And dash camera is a peripheral device used to capture still images in a digital format that can be easily transparent into a computer and manipulated using graphics software. That is your digital. Question number 61. Digital photo and scanned images are typically stored as a bitmap graphics with extensions such as .bmp, .png or .jpg or .tif or .gif. OCR stands for optical character recognitions. Question 63. Which device is used as the standard pointing devices in a graphical user environment? Mouse. Which of the following is not an output device? Touch screen. Question 65. The arrows keys can be used to move the cursor in the text that has already been entered. Question 66. What is the keyboard used for? Input text, add numbers, and send commands to the computer. Question number 67. What are the speakers attached to your computer used for handling sound and music? Question number 68. The mouse dash usually appears in the shape of an arrow pointer. Question number 69. The most common storage device for the personal computer is the floppy disk. Question number 70. Which of the following could be a digital input device for computers? All of these and digital camcorder recorders, microphone, scanner. Question number 71. A sales clerk at a checkout counter scanning a tag on item rather than keying it into the system is using source data automation. Question 72. If you open a menu and then decide you don't want to select an options after all, click the menu title again or press the key to close the menu. The right answer is escape, ESC. Question 73. A key that will erase information from the computer's memory and character on the screen. Delete key. A dash is often used to select or highlight. Mouse. Question 75. Mr. X has no printer to print this report. He wants to make it to Mr. Y computer because Mr. Y has a printer. Mr. X could save this report to floppy disk. Question 76. The most frequently used piece of hardware for inputting data is keyboard. And question number 77. The dash may also be called screen of monitor display. And question number 78. The computer monitor is which type of device? Output. Thanks for watching and sharing.